I am finally decorating the Christmas tree. It's literally a week into December and I'm only decorating the tree now, so I'm a bit late to the game, but it's fine. Anyways, I thought I would do a little decorating the tree with me kind of vlog because I love those videos, and I also thought it would be a really fun video for my YouTube channel. Also, please don't judge my decorating skills because I'm not the best at decorating Christmas trees, but I still find it so much fun. So hopefully you guys enjoy this vlog and let's get decorating. So this is our tree. Feels a little bit naked right now, and also it is very short. Like, I'm literally almost as tall as the tree, so love that for me. At least it won't be that hard to put up the star though, since the tree is so short, so that's a bonus. Here's the grand Christmas tree reveal. Ta-da! So yeah, I ended up going with the silver theme throughout the whole tree. Also, the tree is like low-key, like on an angle, if you can tell. But oh well. So yeah, that is my Christmas tree for 2019. I'm sorry if you can hear my washing machine right now. I'm just doing some laundry, but I got some packages in the mail that I thought I may as well unbox in this video because I love unboxings, honestly. So I've got a package here from Cotton On. I did some Cyber Monday shopping this week. And I also have this little package as well. This is actually my giveaway price because I actually won a giveaway for once, which never usually happens to me. So snaps for me, and this is actually tea related, and I don't mean tea as in gossip, I mean tea as in the drink. Anyways, I'm gonna open the Cotton On package first and I'll show you guys what I got. Honestly, online shopping is the best because once you get the package sent to your house, it literally feels like Christmas morning or something. Here's this little sneak peek of what I got. First thing we have in here is a graphic t-shirt. This graphic tee is actually from Supre. It says Los Angeles, California because I miss America so much. Next, I got a pair of shorts. I actually have these exact shorts in a very light wash blue, but I love it so much because like the length and the fit is so nice. So I got it in black as well because I don't own any black denim shorts. Oh, I also have this other graphic tee. Oh, also this is technically from Supre, but because they're all part of the Cotton On franchise, it came together as Cotton On. I feel like I'm not explaining this properly. I got another graphic tee. I think this one I'm the most excited about because I love this design. I've been seeing it all over Pinterest. Oh, it's really soft too. It's got like all these flowers on it. I got it in a size large, so then it would be a little bit oversized on me. I also got, oh, this one, I actually got this in the men's section, and the reason why I got it was because it gave me Shawn Mendes vibes because this looks so much like Shawn's design on his merch. I'm pretty sure, I don't even know if that's legal. It's got this like little rose and it's got like this little white outline box on it. If you are a hardcore Shawn Mendes stan, does this not look like Shawn's merch? Like, oh my goodness. And then this is the back. The back is really cute too. Last thing I have in here are a pair of checkered pants. These are from Factory. These are so cool. I love checkered print. It's so in right now. It's got fake pockets at the back. I'm so sad about that, but it's got real pockets at the front, so that's all good. So that was my Cotton On package. I actually went Black Friday shopping last week as well, and I did pick up a few things. So before the end of the year, I definitely want to do another clothing haul, and these items will be featured in that, so stay tuned for that. Anyways, now I'm going to be opening up this package. I'm so excited for this. I can't be bothered getting up and getting scissors, so we're going to be opening this up Mariam style. I don't even know. Also, this tea brand is called Storm in India. I've never actually tried any of their teas before, but you guys know I absolutely love tea. My whole branding is tea time, Tuesday tea time, bubble tea, boba, tea in general, green tea even. This is the first little box. Are there like 3 of them? Oh my goodness. This is the packaging. It's so cute. It's very simplistic, minimal, love it. So yeah, this one is the Detox Afternoon Daily Wellbeing Tea. Then I have this other one, which is turmeric and ginger. My mum always drinks tea with ginger, so I feel like she's gonna love this one. This was gonna be for her. And then this one is the Detox Evening one. So yeah, these were the 3 teas that I won from the giveaway. I want to give a huge shout out to Georgia for picking me as one of the winners. I am so grateful and so excited to try out these teas. So I just opened up all 3 boxes from Storm in India, and I wanted to show you guys what they look like because the packaging is just so adorable. So this is the afternoon detox packaging. All of the teas come in this like little cute packets. This is the evening detox box with the same packaging again, and this is the turmeric and ginger packaging there. So that is the end of this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed decorating the Christmas tree with me. Like I said in the intro, I am not the best decorator, but I did try my best, and I guess I'm happy with how it looks. But anyways, if you guys enjoyed watching this video, be sure to give it a huge thumbs up, and make sure you are subscribed to my channel down below. I'm posting a ton of videos this December, so you don't want to miss out. And also go ahead and follow me on Instagram and Twitter. I'm probably going to be posting a heap of Christmas content, and I will see you guys very soon with a new video. Bye!